Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by logging into the official PAN update portal. Once signed in, select the update or correction form. You upload your scanned ID and address proofs, matching names exactly as on Aadhaar. This prevents mismatches. Then, you locate the specific PAN fields to change, name, address, or DOB, and enter corrected details. Make sure to choose the right supporting document type for each change, because incorrect selections cause delays or rejection. Once the form shows your current PAN data, you replace incorrect entries and verify each field before continuing. Small typos lead to rejects. Next, attach the required proofs. Use clear file names and compress images if needed to meet size limits. This speeds upload. Then proceed to the online payment gateway, pay the stipulated fee, and save the payment reference and acknowledgement. These numbers are crucial if you need to track or contest the update later. You finish by reviewing the summary page and submitting the form. Immediately download the acknowledgement and ARN for your records. Once done, track the request using the ARN on the portal and expect standard processing time. Do not assume immediate update. If the application is rejected, read the stated reason carefully, correct the specific issue, and resubmit quickly. This targeted resubmission avoids repeated delays and ensures your PAN details are.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.